Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making the dough that makes the paratha, that makes the chapatis, and that also makes the puris. They're just cooked in different ways, but they're actually the same dough. So this is going to be the start video, which will then show you how to make the chapatis, the parathas, and the puris. It's quite simple. You just need Chapatti Atta. I believe you can get them in Tesco's, Asda, wherever, you know, they're in the flour section, and some water. And then after that, I'll do other videos which will explain how to do the other things. So if you like my videos, guys, drop me a like, comment, ask me any questions. I've been asked a lot of questions and I will get back to everybody as soon as I can. There's a lot of questions flooding in at the moment. I don't mind helping people. So let's get cooking. So we've got our Chapatti Atta here, 143 grams. Now I haven't done this small amount. Usually we make enough to do sort of 100 chapatis. So for you guys, I'm just going to do, I think this is about 10, I believe. But I'll be able to see it once I do, once I fill it up with water. Again, I'm unsure how much water I'm going to need. So I can sort of do it by the eye. I've got 1 litre ready. I shouldn't need more than 1 litre. Probably need less, but I've got 1 litre ready here. So it's quite simple. All you do is you've got a bowl, put your atta on there. You don't need anything else, just water. So I'm just gonna add water to it. And then I'm gonna knead it. Okay, so as you can see, it's quite sloppy. So I need more flour. So you've got to kind of do it accordingly. In the restaurant as well, we do it very much accordingly. Like we see, okay, there's been too much water, add a bit of flour, or there's not enough water, add a bit more. Try and get it right. So as you can see, you don't want it like this. It should be doughy. So I'm just going to add another 200 grams. I'm not sure if I'm going to need all of it, but I'll let you guys know. So, yeah, so I've added another 200 grams. Now that's a lot better. So we used 500 ml water. If you're getting confused with the amount of ingredients, just go down in my description below and you'll be able to see exactly how much we use. As mentioned, I've never done such a small amount, so I'm kind of trying to learn myself. But that's better now. So yeah, you want it as a dough, you need it. It's not like the naan doughs, you can use it straight away. You know, with the naan doughs, they need resting periods, etc., etc. You know, and you can splash. Now your fingers will get the dough will stick onto your fingers. But that's it. Right, as you can see, make it into one big kind of ball. If you think it's too dry, I think this for me is perfect. If you think it's too dry, you can add a slight bit of water. So I've kneaded it into one ball, as you can see. And that's pretty much ready to go. So I'll be doing the chapati video soon, and the paratha video, and the puri. It's made from all the same dough, just cooked slightly different. Chapati sort of used a tawa, and then you use a flame on a cooker. Puri is basically rolled the same, deep fried, and paratha is a bit thicker, but just use a tawa and ghee. We don't use the gas, but you'll be seeing them in the next few videos. So I'm just kneading it, and I'm just making sure there's no cracks left, and it's sort of smooth, one big smooth dough. Believe that is okay. Yeah, so you want it you want it a little bit soft, but not sort of you know, too soft, that there's too much water. But guys, play about with it, you know, put a little bit more water, put a little bit more flour. You know, it's sort of like a, you know, it's kind of common sense in a way when you know it's done. It's not too wet, not too dry. Okay guys, so once you've done your dough, you've got to make sure it's airtight. You can put it in the fridge for a few days and keep it, that's not going to be any issue, but make sure it's airtight. Maybe put it in a plastic bag and, you know, really tighten it, or put some cling film on it. And there we have it, chapati dough.